welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my monthly house declutter for you. I have done a little bit this past month. It has been crazy busy, kind of like my crazy kids, and I have not decluttered quite as much as I would like to, but I've gotten a little bit of stuff done, and I am going to actually film it. It's already filmed separately on my phone. I like to sometimes put things on my bed. I may show all of it to you, I may not, because I do have a little bit more to film, but I'm going to insert that clip of everything that I have decluttered right now. Just some of the things that I am going to be getting rid of. Some kids' shoes, lots of clothes, this really adorable coat that my daughter outgrew, a cosmetic bag, more tennis shoes, more clothes. I got this for review, and as you can see, I never even opened it.
What is it?
A shirt that doesn't fit. Yeah. There's socks. There's all sorts of stuff in here.
Hey,
some kitchen utensils. You can hear my kids in the background.
Wait.
Never did use that, and all of my kids are past the age.
Hey, that's another one. Hey, that's the other one we have. Hey, that we have. That.
And you can hear my kids just walking around in the background, but that is
We saw the other Batman we have.
Look, there's my kid. All right, on to the next box or bag. All right, here's some stuff that I just put out for donation, and my dog walking by. Yes, I realize I need to clean off my porch, but we just had a storm and it blew lots of nasty stuff on there. But yeah, this is a lot of kids' clothes, some of mine, some old comforters of the kids that don't fit their full-size beds, and some more clothes. I've got old bathroom rugs in here. Actually, they were brand new. I don't like them, so I got rid of them. Lots of boots. I've got like Tony Lama, Justin's, Lucchese, so many different kinds of boots in this box right here. And this is all like kids' clothes, some kitchen stuff, shoes, you name it. But it was just all boxed up, so I didn't want to, pull it all out, because it is outside, because as you can see, it's going to Purple Heart. They are picking it up today, and I wanted to make sure that it was out of my house. And I'm going to try and get my dog, because there he is. There's my doggy. Everyone always asks about him, and there he is, my old guy. All right. That wasn't too bad of a declutter, I don't think, for the month. I know some of the clips, I didn't open up the boxes and stuff. It's just easier, if they're already folded up and everything, to just leave it that way and move it out. That one big box does have like boots and stuff in it that no longer fit me. They've been in the closet for forever, since before I had my first kid, who is already 7 years old. So clearly I am not wearing that. And here comes one of my kids. Hi, baby girl. You can come in. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Let me know what you have decluttered this month, and if you're going to keep on decluttering. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.